Most people think they need expensive software to do serious research and turn it into professional deliverables. But if you combine Perplexity with Google's NotebookLM, you unlock something way more powerful. This workflow lets you gather verified information fast and transform it into finished slide decks, reports, and data tables without paying for premium tools. I am going to walk you through exactly how this works and show you how to turn research into billable client work. My name is Paul James, and I help people build service businesses using free AI tools. Today, I want to show you a workflow that changed how I approach client projects completely. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem most freelancers face when doing research. You either waste hours gathering information manually, or you use one AI tool that gives you raw data but no way to organize it. Then you spend more hours reformatting everything into something a client can actually use. You are doing double work. You gather the information, then you build the deliverable from scratch. This eats time and kills your profit margin on every single project. Most people never realize this part. The solution is not finding a better research tool. The solution is using what I call the double engine research system. This is where you let one tool handle discovery and another tool handle delivery. Perplexity becomes your discovery engine. It finds sources fast with citations you can verify. Then NotebookLM becomes your delivery engine. It takes those exact sources and builds professional outputs automatically. 2 tools, 2 different jobs, 0 wasted effort. Let me break down how each piece works. Start with Perplexity when you need to find information quickly. This tool searches the web in real time and pulls from multiple sources at once. Every answer includes citations, so you can click through and verify where the information came from. You are not just getting generic AI responses. You are getting sourced research that you can fact check immediately. Here is where things get wild. Perplexity lets you toggle on deeper research mode, which breaks your question into smaller questions and researches each one separately. You can also choose which sources to pull from: academic papers, social media, or standard web content. If you are doing research for a client pitch, this matters. Social sources give you opinions from real users. Academic sources give you credibility. Web sources give you current trends. Let me give you a real example. Say you are pitching a local gym owner on marketing services. You want to compare which fitness program types get the best retention rates. You type that question into Perplexity. Turn on deeper research. Select web and social sources so you get both data and real user feedback. Perplexity runs the search and gives you a full breakdown with citations next to every claim. Now here's the part where most people stop and try to copy-paste this into a Google Doc. Do not do that. Instead, scan through the report Perplexity gave you. Look at the citations. Click on the ones that seem most credible and relevant to your pitch. Open those links. You are looking for 3 to 5 solid sources that back up the main points you want to make to your client. This is where NotebookLM comes in. Go to notebooklm.google.com. It is completely free to use. Create a new notebook. A notebook is basically a custom AI that only knows what you feed it. This is powerful because it will not pull in random information from the internet. It only works with the sources you upload. Copy those links you found in Perplexity, paste them into NotebookLM. You can paste multiple links at once by separating them with spaces. NotebookLM loads each source and trains itself only on that information. Now you have an AI that knows your research inside and out and nothing else. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Once your sources are loaded, NotebookLM can create finished deliverables for you. Click on the Studio panel on the right side. You will see options for slide decks, data tables, and reports. Let me explain what each one does. Slide decks are not just bullet points on white backgrounds. NotebookLM generates full presentations with images, graphs, maps, and visual elements. You can choose between detailed decks that pack in all the information or presenter decks where you do most of the talking. For client pitches, presenter decks work better because they look professional but leave room for your expertise. Data tables take your research and organize it into clean spreadsheets. Once the table is generated, you can export it directly to Google Sheets. This is perfect when a client wants to see comparisons side by side. Say you researched 5 different ad platforms for a local contractor. NotebookLM builds the comparison table automatically with all the data from your sources. Reports turn your sources into written summaries with proper formatting. Think of this as the written version of your research that a client can read through on their own time. It synthesizes everything from your sources into one cohesive document. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. It felt like I needed to learn 10 different platforms just to compete with bigger agencies. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. This workflow is not just about saving time. It is about creating a service you can sell. Freelancers and agency owners can charge clients for research deliverables. A local business owner needs to know how their competitors are pricing services. They do not have time to research it themselves. You use Perplexity to find pricing data across their market. You feed it into NotebookLM. You generate a comparison report and a slide deck. You deliver both to the client and charge for the research service. Creators can use this to build content faster. Say you run a newsletter about small business marketing. Every week you need to research a new topic and write about it. Use Perplexity to gather your sources. Use NotebookLM to create a draft report. Edit it into your newsletter format. You just cut your research and drafting time in half. Beginners trying to make their first income online can position themselves as research specialists. Local businesses need competitive analysis, market research, and trend reports. You do not need years of experience. You need Perplexity to find credible information and NotebookLM to package it professionally. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me show you how this plays out in a real scenario. Imagine you are working with a local home remodeling contractor. They want to know if they should expand into kitchen design services or stick with bathroom remodels. You open Perplexity. You ask it to research profitability and demand for kitchen design versus bathroom remodels in their region. Turn on deeper research and let it work. Perplexity comes back with data on pricing trends, customer demand, and profit margins. You scan the citations and grab the 5 best sources. You open NotebookLM, paste in those links, and create a new notebook. Now you tell NotebookLM to generate a slide deck comparing both services. 10 minutes later, you have a professional presentation with visuals, data points, and clear recommendations. You send that deck to the contractor. They see the research is sourced and organized. They see you did real work, not just Google searches. They trust your recommendations because everything is backed by credible data. You charge them for the deliverable. That is how you turn free tools into paid services. This is where you can take this idea even further in your own business. Perplexity also has an AI agent feature if you are on their paid plan. The agent can browse websites autonomously and gather information for you. Say you want to analyze pricing for home service contractors across 3 different cities. You tell the agent what to research. It navigates to competitor websites, pulls pricing data, and compiles a report. You copy that report into NotebookLM and generate your deliverables from there. Now picture this. You master this workflow over the next 2 weeks. You start reaching out to local businesses offering competitive research reports. You charge $300 to $500 per report, depending on complexity. You deliver slide decks and data tables that look like they came from a full service agency, but you built them in under an hour using Perplexity and NotebookLM. That is leverage. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You are not competing on price anymore. You are competing on speed and quality. Clients see the work you deliver and assume you have a team behind you, but it is just you and 2 free tools working together. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.